All right, what time is it? It's Wynn time. Gonna walk around, show you guys what the Wynn looks like. It's July 2025. It is a Wednesday today. If you've never been to the Wynn before, this will give you a good idea what to expect. They have the summer league going on right now, NBA. They say a lot of the basketball players are staying here and they hang out here, so you never know. We might run into one or two. Quick pit stop. Here they tell me anything about my tactical bag today. Louis Vuitton. So that's the main drop-off for taxis or Ubers. First machine right there is a dragon. All right, I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna go around this way. I'm gonna walk around the whole thing once, see if I see any superstars. Might be some celebrities. That's the high limit room right here. The bar rooms are back over there.
5-0 section's gonna have a game.
You make a right here. This is where you find the Wynn buffet. It's supposed to be one of the best buffets in all of Las Vegas, but as you can imagine, it is a little pricey. All right, if I keep going that way, there are meeting rooms and ballrooms. So here's some information about the buffet. So their brunch is $59.99 and their dinner is $79.99 from 1 to 9. Cocktails $32.99. All right. All right, we're gonna make it right here. All right, if you make a right here at this hallway, it will take you over to Encore. But we'll head over here. And here you will find one of the coolest sports books and what I think in all of Vegas. I really like this place. I think this place is amazing. Look at this, folks. I mean, if you can't find your sporting event that you want to see, you're just not trying hard enough. VIP lounge area, very cool. And this is connected here. This is the bar where you can have some drinks also. And then right here you have this burger place. I'll show you right here. Charlie's Burgers. Lots of TVs in there to watch some games. So if you're staying here at the Wynn, this is where the taxis will drop you off, and you would enter through here. The bell desk is right over here to my left, and this is always really cool. If you watch the movie Paul Blart 2, this little area was featured in the movie quite a bit. These escalators heading down. Now in the movie they portrayed it as if this area was a restaurant, but it's really not. It's a bar, but you can't go outside to the restaurant. And then here's the escalator that comes back up. All right, so this is where we walked in from over there. So we're on the other side of the trees. All right, we'll take a walk, but we'll go down the middle of the casino floor. All right, this is where we just were a while ago. I'll turn back and go back the other way. All right, this is pretty much it. This is the hotel drop-off and pickup. If you come and stay here at the Wynn, this is where you'll get dropped off, whether it's by your taxi or your Uber. So I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of the Wynn. Beautiful place. Hope you liked the video. Please give us a thumbs up so that YouTube can refer this to other people who like watching Vegas content. And we signing off from the Wynn. Thank you very much. Hope you are subscribed. Have a great day.